Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Thank you, Dorcha. She's still hanging in there, baby. She's hanging tough. But this morning, I just stopped by to share with you all some things that I'm doing in my garden. But this is my Fuyu persimmon tree. She's putting on her fruits, y'all. Every leaf, she's putting on her fruits. Yeah, look at that. Everywhere, she got fruits. Yeah. So last season, she did really, really good. We received a great harvest from the Fuyu persimmons. Yeah. Looks like we're on our way. We're on our way, y'all. So listen, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by the channel this morning. And I hope to see you all in the live tonight. Today is Tuesday. The live starts at 7 Central Time. And tonight, we are going to be talking about gardening. Yeah. All right, family. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get on with it. I posted a video where my guava tree did not make it through the Arctic freeze. That's a guava tree, y'all. My daughter, Jody, Jody bought me a guava tree. Yeah, she bought me a guava tree and she brought it to me on yesterday. Yay, thank you, daughter. Thank you, baby. It's my little guava tree, and I'm gonna get Ben to put her in the ground. I want her in the ground. Yeah, that's what we gonna do, y'all. That's what we gonna do. The guava. So let me just share this with you all since we're here. You all see this? That green, those green beads? That is slow release fertilizer. Yeah. And what they do is they put this fertilizer on these plants and trees for them, of course, for it to release slow, so they don't have to put any more fertilizer on these plants. But that is what that is, slow release fertilizer. And let me tell you, that stuff it's in there for almost forever. I still have trees that I purchased. You still see these little beads in there, so. But anyway, I'm gonna help her out, baby. She gonna get some of that super juice and 511 when I take her out of this and shake all that stuff off of her. But anyway, that's my little guava tree, y'all. That's her. This is 3 of my plants, but this is a Moringa. This is a Moringa oleifera tree. And right now I have 3 that has germinated. Now, listen, family, I don't label anything. But a lot of times what tells me what a plant is, it is the seed. And this is a Moringa oleifera seed. Because I take the seed out of the shell, and there she is. It's a Moringa. This plant is a Jamaican sorrel. Now, I know how the seedling look, but the shell on her head kind of tells who she is. But if you look at your plants, they look different from when they are seedlings to when they are huge plants. So this is chamomile, and I don't know if you can see all the bees that is all around this chamomile. And what she did, she just come back every year just like this. Yep, that's chamomile, baby. Hey girl, they loving it. They are loving it. Look at this big boy. He's down there, so oh, there he is back there. You see him? Yeah. It's a windy day, but it's chamomile. Beautiful. Ooh. There he is right there. Oh, that's another one. Ooh. They're just enjoying life, I tell you. Get it, baby. Get it. All right. So today I am chopping up vegetables for my cooking. So this is my onions that I harvest out of my garden that was protecting my vegetables during the fall. And now, baby, it's time for me to eat them. So I'm going to chop them up and put them in freezer bags. So here I have some store-bought peppers. I'm going to chop them all up also. And this is my Chinese pink celery. Yeah. And I'm going to cut her all up too and put her in freezer bags. I have some garlic under there too. I'm going to chop up and have all of those ready too. But anyway, guys, I will share with you all what it look like when I'm done. All right? Yay! So here is all of my chopped vegetables, green onions, leeks, peppers, and celery. They're all chopped up, and this is some roses that is growing in the front of my home. I usually don't cut them, but they're so beautiful. Now this is some corn, cream style corn. I just seasoned up with all kind of vegetables, and it's so good, y'all. This is one of my parsley. It's a parsley plant. Now I have some dehydrated parsley in the house, but I wanted some fresh parsley for my meal, and I needed 2 bay leaves. This is for my lunch for today, y'all. So yeah, it's just that I want to treat myself good. And this is my lunch. I have a salad with pickles, cucumbers, red onions, spinach, tomatoes. There's my corn and all of my seasonings. And yeah, y'all, you know the star of the show is some rice and shrimp. Yeah, this is just some shrimp stew, and it is so good. It is so good. So I'm gonna eat this for lunch today and for dinner tonight after the live, baby.